Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to install a WordPress theme in Hostinger. This is the WordPress website I will use for this tutorial. It's called benstestinghosting.com. The first step to install my WordPress theme is to first log into my WordPress dashboard. After that, from this left side menu, go to Appearance, then hit Themes. Click on this Add New Theme from the top. After picking your preferred theme, just click on this blue Install button. Then activate your new installed theme. And this is how to install a new theme on Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.